day, year ones. Get your English activity pack out and write your name on this activity pack. Then let's go through your spelling words for this week. Remember to practice them. It's very important that you practice your spelling words. So this week, your first word is rock, clock, sock, lock, shock, luck, neck, thick, always, almost. Then for Monday. So for this week, year ones, we are looking at adverbs. Okay. Now I need to refresh your memory a bit. A verb is a doing word. It's an action word. Okay. While an adverb is a word that describes your verb. Okay, so here you've got sentences. Okay, when you look at where I'm pointing, the turtle walks slowly. Okay, the verb here is walks. Okay, so you'll write the verb in here, walks. And how does it walk? It walks slowly. So you'll write the adverb slowly over there. The swimmer practices regularly. Okay? What does the swimmer do? The swimmer practices. Okay? And how often he does it? Regularly. So you have to write your verb under verbs, and regularly should be an adverb. So you write it in that block. Do the last two all on your own. Then we move on to some more adverbs. Okay. All you have to do for this activity is circle your adverbs and underline your verbs, okay? Just like they did in the first example. The players loudly cheered for their friend. Number 2, the cat was quietly approaching the bird. Okay, so our verb we will underline. So what was the cat doing? It was approaching. So you underline approaching and you circle quietly. Okay, number 3, the parcel finally arrived in today's mail. Number 4, the woman proudly clapped as her grandson graduated. Number 5, Dad quickly ran to the car as it started to rain. Number 6, the children eagerly came to the carpet for a story. Number 7, the man slowly opened the door. Number 8, the cookies were divided equally between the brothers. Number 9, we will eventually have to go home. Number 10, you completed this task perfectly. On to the next activity, year ones. You do the exact same thing where you circle the adverbs and underline the verb. So you do that for numbers 1 to 10. And then for the bottom part, write a sentence and underline the verbs and circle the adverbs. Okay, that is it for your English. Moving on to this week's maths. Year ones, get your maths activity pack out and write your name on top of this activity pack. Okay, for this week, you also have some spelling you need to work on for maths, okay? We are looking at the days of the week. So you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so for this For today, you practice these words over there. Then we look at your maths. All you have to do is write the weight of these items. Okay, you've got maize for 2.5 kilograms. So that's what you do. You do the same for this bag of maize, for the bag of sugar, and for the glue stick. Okay, that is it for your maths. Moving on to your science, year one. Get your science out and write your name at the top of that activity bag. This week we are looking at all sorts of birds, okay? We're looking at birds and let's read some facts about the birds. So, facts about a duck, year one. A duck is a bird, okay? It forms part of the bird family. Here you've got a picture of a duck and some fun facts. So, all birds have feathers. This duck and ducks, well, all ducks live in water. They breathe with lungs. They hatch from hard-shelled eggs and they are cold-blooded. Then we move on to the next part of this activity. We've got a bird's worksheet, year one. All you have to do is fill in the missing vowels, okay? So you've got birds over here and birds over there. All you have to do is fill in the missing vowel. And if you still remember your vowels, you need to know that it's a, e, o, u. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are your vowels, so you need to use any of these 5 to fill in the missing letters, which will give you the name of the bird. And that is all for today's English, maths, and science.